Hey guys, it's Loreal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will subscribe and hit the notification bell before you leave today so that you can be notified of all my future uploads. And today I want to talk to you about a foundation that most of us have known about for a long time, unless you're like me and you were on the road for most of your life and you didn't buy every foundation that came out. If you are a YouTuber, you know about this though. Okay, this was the original lasting finish 25-hour comfort serum skin perfecting full coverage foundation. It's the red cap, and recently Rimmel came out with their new reformulation of this product. It has the doe foot applicator like a lot of the foundations. I'm sure you've seen many reviews on it. I looked on Rimmel's website and this is not there anymore. I heard a couple people mention it, that you know they haven't seen it on the website, and I was like, what? Why would they do that? Well, I mean, it appears to me that they're discontinuing it, and so I thought that I would just tell you. I know a lot of people like adore this foundation. The packaging is not so amazing. I do have it on today. I like it. I think it's very, very pretty. I went looking for it in the store and I was like, where is this foundation that everybody, you know, recommended that I try? It's not there. All I could find was the new one, and then it dawned on me like, oh no. What if now I want to try this foundation that everybody says is so great, everybody says this is a good one from the drugstore, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm like, surely they didn't stop manufacturing this one if they came out with the new one, because some people are obviously going to like this one more, and vice versa, I'm sure, but still I couldn't find it. And so I was going to go online to order it, and I did find mine online, but I went to the Rimmel website and it's not even being shown as a product that they're offering anymore. So if you want to get your hands on this one, then yeah, need to get on top of that one because they're going to be gone. If you are referencing my shades, all of my foundations are in my description box. But in this particular one, I am in 200 Soft Beige. I think this is a very pretty shade. If you are around MAC shade 25, again, I can do the warm or the cool, but that's kind of what this shade would equal out to. Again, this is 200 Soft Beige, and I have worn this foundation a few times, and I really like it. I think that it's very, very long lasting, and at the price point on this one from the drugstore, this is just a really, really nice foundation. So I just wanted to hop on here basically and let you know that if you wanted to try this one, or if you want to get backups, you need to probably either hop online and grab some, and I have, so I can tell you that now. But you know, I wanted to make sure that I got my hands on it, and then I just wanted to tell you guys to do the same if you want to try this one out, because I really just don't think that it's going to be out there anymore. And if you saw it in the store like right now, where did you see it? Because I've been to Walgreens, CVS, Walmart. I think I was even looking in my Fry's grocery store. I can't find this. So if you do know where locally we can get this right now, let everybody know so we can snatch some of this up before it's gone. If you want to see a wear test, I will apply it, show you what it looks like going on, and wear it out and come back and let you know all my final thoughts. It is a strongly scented foundation. So if you're going to run out and try this because I'm telling you it's not going to be available and you don't like scented, I was kind of thinking, oh my gosh, because I just got over the peach foundation crisis, that this was the next one I bought, and I was like, oh no, not again, because when they're strongly scented like that, sometimes it can mean that I can't wear it, but I can wear this one. If you own this, do they all seem like they're missing some product? Because I've only worn it a couple times, and I feel like there's just no way that this was an ounce when it got to me. Does that make sense? I hope so. Let me know if you've owned it and you got it home. Did you feel like it was already, like, used? I mean, I know I didn't get a used one because it was sealed, but they were skimping in the product area, I think. But other than that, I really love it. I did want to try it before I couldn't. So anyway, I just wanted to give a public service announcement to you guys to grab this one if you want it, or if you want backups before it's gone, you know, and if you lived on the road or under a rock like me and you just didn't get to try it and you want to, now's the time. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like that I'm alerting you to this kind of thing, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on your way out, and I will see you later. Bye.